Hi everyone, my name is Louise. Today I want to talk to you about something very important. It is about not giving up. Learning English is like a journey. It is not fast. It is not always easy. But it is possible. Sometimes you feel happy. Sometimes you feel sad. There are good days and bad days. That is normal. Maybe you ask yourself, why is English so hard? Maybe you think, can I really speak English one day? The answer is yes, you can. When you were a baby, you wanted to walk. You did not walk on the first try. You fell down many times. Did you stop? No, you stood up again. You tried again. And one day you walked. That is success. Let's think of learning English like planting a small tree. What do you do first? You plant the seed. Then you water it. You give it sunlight. You wait. Every day you take care of it. Will you see a big tree tomorrow? No. But if you wait and work, it will grow. Your dream is like that seed. Your dream to speak English needs water, your time, light, your hope, and care, your practice. It needs your love. You can ask, what if I make a mistake? That is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Let's say you say a word wrong. What should you do? You say it again. You listen. You learn. Do you remember the first time you tried to ride a bike? Did you fall? Yes, maybe. But did you stop? No, you tried again. It is the same with English. You may not understand every word. You may forget. You may feel slow. But that is okay. Do you know where success begins? It begins when you don't stop. Let's look at the word yet. When you say, I can't speak English yet, that is a powerful sentence. It means you are still learning. You will get there. Let's say this together. I will not give up. I can learn English. I will try every day. Ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today? Can you learn one new word? Can you read one short story? Can you say one sentence out loud? Yes, you can. Use your time. Use your energy. Use your heart. Let's help each other. Let's grow together. Never give up. You are stronger than you think. You can learn more than... Let me tell you about some amazing people who never gave up. Thomas Edison was a famous inventor. He wanted to make a light bulb. He tried many times. Did he fail? Yes. He failed over 1,000 times, but he did not stop. He said, I did not fail. I found 1,000 ways that did not work. Then one day it worked. We have light today because he did not give up. Now let's talk about J.K. Rowling. She is the writer of the Harry Potter books. These books are famous now, but at first many publishers said no. She sent her book again and again. She believed in her story. She was poor. She was a single mother, but she did not stop. Finally, one publisher said yes. Now children and adults around the world love her books. Do you know about Nick Vujicic? He was born without arms and legs. It was very hard for him. He could not do things like other people. But he did not feel weak. He learned to swim. He learned to type. He travels to many countries. He gives talks to help people. He says, if I fail, I try again. He shows that anything is possible. Let's look at another story. Michael Jordan is one of the best basketball players in the world, but he also failed many times. He missed thousands of shots. He lost many games, but he said, "I fail, and that is why I succeed." He worked hard every day. He did not give up. Another example is Oprah Winfrey. She is a famous TV host. When she was young, life was very hard for her. She was poor. She had many problems. Some people told her she could not be on TV. But she did not listen. She believed in herself. She worked hard. Now she is one of the most successful women in the world. All these people had problems. They had hard days. But what did they do? They kept going. They believed in their dreams. They learned from mistakes. They asked for help when they needed it. They used positive words. They said, "I can, I will, I believe." And you can do that too. You might not be famous yet, but you have your own story. You have your own dream. What will you do with it? Remember, your future is not written yet. You are writing it every day. Make it strong. Now let's talk about you. Yes, you are the star of your own story. Do you want to speak English well? Do you want to get a better job? Do you want to travel to new places or meet new people? You can do all these things. But first, you must believe in yourself. Sometimes you may feel tired. Sometimes you may feel like giving up. That is normal. Everyone feels like that. But do you stop? No, you rest. You take a break. And then you come back stronger. What should you do when you feel lost? Ask questions. Where can you find help? Who can you talk to? There are people who care. Your teacher wants to help you. Your friends want to see you grow. Your family wants you to do well. You are not alone. Use small steps. Learn one new word a day. Write one sentence. Speak out loud. Watch a short English video. Sing an English song. Read a simple story. Every small step helps you grow. Let's talk about your dream. What is it? Do you want to become a doctor, a teacher, a chef, a designer? All dreams start with learning, and learning English can open many doors. Let's say you are shy. Let's say you are afraid to speak. That is okay. Many people feel the same. What can you do? Practice a little every day. Speak in front of the mirror. Record your voice. Say hello to a classmate in English. Step by step, your confidence will grow. Positive words help. Tell yourself, "I can learn. I will try again. I will not give up." Your words are powerful. They change how you feel. They give you energy. Sometimes you make mistakes. That is good. What did you learn from the mistake? Mistakes are like teachers. They help you improve. So don't say, "I'm not good." Say, "I'm learning." There is no fast way to learn a language, but there is a sure way. Keep going. Keep smiling, keep trying, keep growing. Let's do it together. You are not too young. You are not too old. It is never too late. Today is the right time to begin again. Let's ask, what will you do today to get better? Will you study 5 words? Will you write a paragraph? Will you say a sentence to a friend? You are strong, you are smart, you are ready. Your dream is waiting. Go for it. You can do it. And remember, I am here to help. In the next video, I will share 5